Today's mission, aside from trying to reorganize the garage, is trying to get this closer to this. For example, that's definitely not going to work, so this needs to move down here. It did look like someone had been chopping, can't really tell on this actually, but it does look like someone's cut some of this off because it's not the same as the other one. But yeah, that's today's mission. You would just wonder, how long is that bolt? There you go. That's a bit better. Don't know if this will need sorting out. Hopefully that's not too much strain on that. That's a lot closer. My other mission at some point is to sort this out because it doesn't lock. It's just sitting on there, so might try and sort it out today as well, considering that job was well quick. Seat's done. Fiddled around with that for a while and then realised it just needed a little spank, so Wanda likes a bit of a spank.